Estoy muy feliz de volver a estar con Eleni Foureira un año después. Eleni Foureira, thank you so much for bringing back to Barcelona again.
Thank you so much, muchas gracias, estoy muy feliz. Me amo Barcelona mucho.
Wow.
I love Barcelona. Barcelona, it's my favorite city. That's why I have a new song. The name is Barcelona too. So it's the second year of Barcelona Pride that I'm here and I'm the headline of this year. Thank you so much. It's my honor.
Thank you so much, and the honor is for us. But the last one question I have, how you felt today on the stage?
Oh my God. The feeling was amazing and it's the first time that I'm crying on stage.
Yeah.
And Barcelona, you make me cry, but you make me cry with happiness. Like these tears was because I was very happy. People were screaming my name, so I don't know what to say. This is my city though.
We love Eleni.
I love you guys.
Thank you so much, Eleni.
Muchas gracias. Te amo, Barcelona.